Hello, it's your girl candysenette, and I'm back today with a new video. So this week's video is going to be what I wore this week. Okay, and we're going to get into those because what I'm going to start doing is on Sunday, I'm going to start getting out my clothes for the week. Like, I work 3 days in the office, and if I'm going somewhere on the weekend, I usually know. And sometimes when I get up in the morning, I just be rushing, and y'all, I be putting on anything. I ain't gonna lie. I be putting on anything. But the goal here is to wear the clothes that are in your closet so that you can stop shopping. So if I pre-plan or if I get them out, put them on my rack, I know what I'm going to wear for the week. So I can be more prepared for the week ahead. So that is my goal for the last trimester of this year, is to be more prepared so that if going into 2026, I'm going into 2026 with the mindset that I am going to stay on task and I'm going to always be prepared. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely click that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Now, if you're new here, hey boo, how you doing? Over here we do a lot of fashion content. We do hauls. I'm a haul. What do you call it? I'm a haulinista, okay? Because I be hauling some of everything: jewelry, clothing, perfume, everything. I haul it. You gonna get to see it over here on this channel. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. All right, so like I said, this is a new way that I'm going to do this video. So I'm recording the video today, letting you know what I am going to wear for the week. But then as I wear the outfits, I will definitely record them as I wear them. Because of course, if they need ironing, they're not going to be ironed today. I'm probably going to iron them after I'm done with this video. And then you'll see how I styled it, or how I plan to style it on the side. Hopefully I'm going to stick to my guns, which is why I'm doing it this way, because I want to be able to stick to my guns and wear what I say I'm gonna wear. Okay. So this week, Mother Nature, she came to visit, and so this week, on those typical weeks, I usually try to keep it simple. I keep it black. I keep it dark. I wear dark clothing, but I still elevate my dark clothing. And so this week, I don't go to work until Tuesday. So I work Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but that shifts weekly because sometimes I may have a doctor's appointment and I may switch my days to something else. So it's never the same. Just know it's 3 days out the week. Okay, so the first outfit that I'm picking out for the week is going to be this two-piece set. Baby, who can go wrong with a two-piece set? So it is this two-piece set that I actually got from Charlotte Russe. Okay, the top was $10, and I want to say the pants were $12.99. I have not even worn this yet, so it needs to get worn because, again, it's still a little warm here. So this is perfect. It just comes with the pants and the little shirt. Keep it simple, okay? Keep it simple. I'm gonna add a belt for a little bit of razzle dazzle, and then I'm going to keep the shoe simple, and I'm going to pair it with my Dolce Vita little ballet flats. Okay, because on that week when Mother Nature visits, baby, we want to be comfy. We don't want no problems. Okay, we want to be able to move and shake with no problem. So this is what I'm going to pair with this, and I do have a animal print belt that I'm going to put on to accentuate the waist, because it'll be a little bloated, but I'm gonna put that on so you camouflage it a little bit. And then I'm going to wear silver accessories because it has the silver hardware here, and the belt also has silver. So that is what I'm going to wear. That's the first outfit that I'm going to wear this week. Okay, the second outfit is just, I'm pulling out my black trousers. These trousers are from TJ Maxx. I don't think they're by House of Blair in London or whatever, but it's just a black pair of slacks. The slacks have like this little fold over the bottom, the button detail in the waist. It's just black slacks, baby, black wide leg slacks. I'm going to pair it with this black and white cropped button down that I got from a local boutique store here, and it is just a cropped black and white button down. You saw this in my last video. But yeah, so black pants, button down, black shoe. And this is the shoe that I'm going to wear. You saw these in my last haul, but these are the shoes I'm going to wear. These are the Anne Michelle silver cap toe shoes, and I'm going to wear silver accessories as well, probably the same accessories, or I'll do my silver gold mix. That's what I'll do with this look. But yeah, you'll see the footage of the video. I mean, you'll see how I styled it over here, but for the most part, this is what I'm wearing. I'm trying to make sure I stick to what I say in this video over here, so hopefully I did that. Okay, the next outfit that I'm going to wear this week is going to be a black skirt. Like I say, we gonna keep it simple, okay? This week we ain't gonna have too much color, okay? It's gonna be black on black on black, okay? And this is a Rachel Zoe skirt. I got this from TJ Maxx as well. We're gonna get the lint roller and get all the lint off and iron it, but it has this cute little split in the front of it, and of course you will see it on the side over here. But yeah, it's just a little black skirt. It has pockets. It's kind of almost giving cargo skirt without the pockets, but that's how the material feels. So I'm gonna pair this skirt with this cute little cropped shirt. So I'm giving all the fun and flirty things up top. Okay, so I'm gonna pair it with this cute little top here.
So as y'all can see, I actually changed out my shirt. Instead, I went for this butter yellow cropped collar shirt that I got from Shein. And then I also added these gold slingback mules. They're flats. I got these at Ross. And I went for a black and gold belt. I kept the skirt the same, but I added some two-tone jewelry, my favorite bracelets that I've been recently wearing, and then some gold and silver earrings. The earrings are from Shein also, but everything else that I said I was gonna wear, the shirt just wasn't giving the vibes for me. So y'all, I changed the shirt in this outfit and just went for this butter yellow button down. I mean, not button down, but this butter yellow collar shirt, and it was Friday, so it was cool.
Okay, now look number 4 is going to be an honorable mention. So like if I wake up and maybe it's raining outside, or I change my mind, at least I have a backup outfit for one of the days if I want to change my mind. So I'm not sticking to a certain day, but I will stick to the outfits that I have on the rack. Okay, so I'm going to pull out this vest that I got from Shein. This is just a regular old vest that I got from Shein. Nothing to it, right? And then I'm going to pair it with these. Okay, got a little hook. And then I'm going to pair it with these Zara wide leg pants. This is a denim-esque fabric, but it is very flimsy and very flowy. So this is actually what it will look like. I feel like those two colors will go really good together because the stitching in these pants are a brownish color, if you can see that. Y'all see that? So I feel like it will go really cute with the stitching in the pants. And then also I am going to pair this back with the animal print shoes. Look at that. This is how it's going to be paired. So I really think that that is going to be really cute, very comfortable again, because this week we're going for what? Comfort. Okay, and then Saturday I do have an event to go to. It is a t-shirt, graphic t-shirt party. It says let the t-shirt be your statement, or let the t-shirt do something. Something the flyer said like that. But anyway, this is a t-shirt that I'm wearing. Does this shirt make me look bald? I love this t-shirt. I got this t-shirt from Shein, believe it or not. I ordered this from Shein, and I've probably worn it a couple times, which is why it looks a little funky on this hanger. But I was thinking about actually like DIYing it a little bit since I've worn it straight before. I think I want to DIY it a little bit. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I may just keep it plain, but I like the shirt. Because does this shirt make me look bald? Or am I just bald anyway? I don't know. It just says something to me, right? So I'm going to wear this shirt to the event, to the party. It's a house party. Well, we need to get back to those. House parties were the bomb back in the day. But anyway, this is a t-shirt. And then I'm just going to pair it with my black Jordan jorts. For shoes, I'm probably going to put on my Sambas, which will be nothing but right. I mean, it goes perfectly with this outfit, just my black and white Sambas. That was really a quick little video. I'm gonna try to do those every week so that you guys can see what I'm wearing, and so that I can wear what I already have in this closet, because it's getting ridiculous that I'm not wearing the things, or I'm not maximizing my closet. I keep buying things and I'm not wearing the stuff that I already have. So hence why I am purging things, because I have a bag over here. Let me show you. I have this bag and it has some boots in it, it has boots in it, it has shoes in it, it has like things that I have repurchased, and I just kind of do that every time I go in my closet on the weekend. I feel like I got to do that because I do have a lot of things and I do need to give away some things. So that is what I'm doing. It's really not a lot of things that I'm giving away. It's just a couple of things, and like boots that are, you know, like when you wear something and the toe gets a little ashy and you just be trying to hold on to it. Let it go. Let it go, sis, because I have some boots in here and I'm gonna show you what I mean. So I have these silver boots. Love these boots. These boots were a gift. These are XOXO boots. They were a gift. I've worn them down. They were a gift about 5 years ago. My coworker gave me these. But look at this boot, y'all. Look at that. That's the sign. Baby, put that boot. Get that boot away. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not on the hunt for another silver boot. I'm not, because I actually do have one. It's just a knee-high boot. So I don't need another boot like this. But I am going to give these away. So hopefully the next person can like maybe put some silver spray paint on it or something. I don't know what you can do with it. But I'm going to give it away because somebody might not have a boot and they need a boot. So that's why I'm going to donate it. And then I have some other little shoes. Okay, and so I don't know where I was because my camera died. But anyway, and like I said, I was giving away some things. But anyway, I think this is another pair. But since I've been buying a lot of other black shoes and mules and slingbacks, these I really don't need. I purchased these from Shein a while ago. I think I've got a good use out of them. I mean, like, you know, stuff that I wear over and over again, I don't have to just hold on to from Shein, because that's why I buy more. But like, you see the toe is kind of like leaving a little bit. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and donate these. Here's the other one. You can tell that I got good wear out of these because they were, you know, it's time for them to go. And I got a pair of white ones, so I'm going to donate the white ones as well. The white ones didn't really get a lot of wear. I'll show you. Well, they kind of did. But they have a little bit of wear and tear right here, but nothing too much. I mean, you can get some shoe polish or something. Somebody can fix them if they want to, but I think I have enough, so I don't really need this shoe anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and donate that too. So I'm slowly getting things out as I bring new things in. I don't just keep. I purge when I get new things. So I always find something to give away. So yeah, so that's that. So I'm going to be doing these videos. I hope you like these videos. Sorry, I don't know what that was. But hopefully you like seeing the things that I'm wearing during the week. And of course, I'm going to be showing you on the side, just maybe not at that particular moment because I haven't actually put it on yet. But you will definitely see it styled when I put it on. So these videos will probably go up on Sundays. I'll record them on a Monday and they'll go up on Sunday so that you can kind of see. So it'll be a week delayed. Let's just say that. Because I feel like that's how it's going to go, a week delayed. But anyway, if you like the content, just give me a thumbs up, y'all. Hit that notification bell. And we're growing over here, y'all. So tell a friend. Tell a friend to come on, subscribe. Get over here. We're getting that algorithm up. My video is reaching a lot of more people. A lot. That ain't even how you supposed to say that, Candy. Use the master's degree, okay? My video is reaching a larger audience. So I'm definitely excited about that. So, okay, thumbs up, notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.